Hello besties, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video to watch. I appreciate you so much. Today I share with you how I make my special grilled tilapia fish suya. It sounds interesting, right? Yes. So right here I have my tilapia fish and I'm going to clean this off camera. I have a video on how you can clean your tilapia fish perfectly. It's right on the channel. Okay, so here I have my pepper mix, which I have bell pepper, tomatoes, garlic, onion, chili pepper, and some diced carrots. Okay, so at this point I am going to roughly blend all of those together. Okay, roughly blend it, not too smooth. That is what we are looking for. Okay, so at this point let me say a very big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for always supporting me. God bless you. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. I never take it for granted. God bless you all. So right here I have the pepper. I'm done blending, and as you can see, it's not so smooth. Okay, that is what we are looking for. And back to the tilapia fish, I'm done cleaning the tilapia fish and I put it in the sieve to drain. Okay, so the water can drain completely. So now we are going to prepare the sauce. This sauce is so delicious. Wow, it's so delicious. So I put in some oil in my saucepan and I added onions and bay leaf, and we are going to season the base of our sauce. By so doing, I added chicken seasoning and some rosemary powder, little curry powder, and I'm going to stir fry this for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, and after 3 to 4 minutes I'm going to add in my roughly blended pepper. Okay, so at this point I'm going to season it. Also, I'm going to add some seasonings, just little. Remember, we have seasoned the base of the sauce, so at this point you have to be careful. So I added little salt, curry powder, some rosemary powder, and also chicken seasoning. Remember, we have already seasoned the base of the sauce. So whatever we are adding now has to be just little. Okay, so I mix it and I'll cover it to continue cooking. Okay, so back to our tilapia fish, and this is it. The water has drained completely. Okay, now I'm just going to give it some cut like so, and once I am done I'll repeat the same thing for the second tilapia fish. No matter the amount of fish you are doing, just do it this way. Okay, and as soon as I am done cutting, I am going to sprinkle some salt on it, just little salt. Okay, just watch what I do, just little salt like so, and I am going to rub it on it just as if we are creaming our body. Okay, so I cream the body of the tilapia fish with the sauce, with the salt. Okay, so that is it, and I'm going to set it aside. All right, now back to our sauce. Now, as you can see, the sauce is ready and it is very thick. At this point you can set it aside to cool completely, but I don't have the time. Okay, I just continue what I'm doing. Now in my oven tray I put in some of the sauce at the base of the tray. Okay, as you can see. Okay, so now I'll lay the tilapia fish and also be generous with my sauce on the tilapia fish. So I will put the sauce in it, both in and out. I make sure I touch every part of the tilapia fish. Okay, and this process, this is what I will do to the second one as well. So if you are still watching my video up to this moment, I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for supporting me. God bless you. Please consider to give this video a thumb up, and if you are new to the channel, you are highly welcome. Kindly hit on the subscribe button. Subscription is free. Okay, and then turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Okay, so I flip the tilapia fish over and I'm also going to add some of the sauce on it like so. Like I said, I am generous with the sauce for it to penetrate in it properly, and you have a delicious, delicious, delicious grilled tilapia fish. Remember, this is tilapia fish suya. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and please continue to watch. We are almost done. Okay, so I'm done coating the fish with the sauce. Okay, now we are putting it in the oven at 160 to 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, this is what we have. Now I'm going to sprinkle some of my soya spices. Wow, this is so delicious, trust me. Give this a try. A trial will convince you. So thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate you so much. So after adding the soya spice, I'm going to add some bell pepper, some sliced bell pepper like so, and some onions. And after that, I'm going to put it back in the oven to grill for more 10 minutes. Okay, 10 to 15 minutes. And this is it, guys. This is what we have. Oh my goodness, this is delicious. This is something you will always want more, always want more. This is captivating. This is delicious. This is mind-blowing. Thank you all so much for watching. God bless you. Okay, look at it. Oh my goodness, so delicious. Thank you all for watching. Remain blessed until I see you in my next video. Bye bye.